Okay. In this section of the video, we are going to witness the attendance module of the eSchool web-based school management system. Now, herein we have the daily attendance. This form displays all the classes and sections that we have configured in the school, and we have an option of marking either a full attendance or mentioning just the absent roll numbers in this page. So for all the sections for a given date, wherever we want to mark full attendance, just this checkbox need to be marked, and automatically all the students of that particular section, that particular class would be marked as present. So we have an option to mark attendance and clear attendance. So this is a very simple form wherein just in 5 minutes the entire school attendance can be marked in the system. We also have a form to mark leaves for students who want to go for leave. So here in the application number is automatically generated based on the number of applications that we have. We can even change this number if we want, and the scholar number can be filled in, the reason for leave can be filled in, and a from date and to date can be filled in, that is from which date to which date the student requires a leave, and this can just be inserted. So automatically for those days the student would be granted a leave. This is the holiday marking form. Now herein we have made a provision to enter a holiday for each section and each class. So basically you can just declare holiday for, let's say, the primary section, and the higher secondary and the middle and the higher section would still be working. So that ways, now I'll just show you an example. But first up, for any date you can just select the date and mention the reason of the holiday, and select the classes where the holiday has to be applied. And we also have a concept of a special day. Special days are mainly like open houses days, or maybe like parents teachers meeting, wherein we mark all the children as present by default. So we have a feature wherein you can just mention the reason over here and apply also. If you are to declare a holiday for the entire school for a given date, you don't have to go and fill in each of these boxes over here. So if we look at one of the days wherein we already have marked a holiday, like for example 7th of February 2012, then we can see that we've mentioned this day as Ravidas Jayanti holiday for all of these classes, but 5th C and 10th we are working, so we've not mentioned any holiday in those classes as case. And we can even mark a range wise holiday. So for example, if you are to mention summer holidays for the entire school from, let's say, 1st of March till 30th of April, then you can just mention this over here, and this will mark holiday for all classes, all sections of the school for the given date range. We'll move on to the reports that are being generated by the system. We have this daily summary report wherein you just marked all the attendance for the students. So this daily summary report can be generated from the system, wherein again it would in a format similar to how you mark the attendance. It would give you all the classes, the number of present students, the number of absent students, the number of students on leave, the total number of students studying in that class, and the percentage of attendance for that class. And also we'll be getting a list of all absentees roll number. So this way we have a complete listing over here, wherein we get the percentage of all the classes, and at the end of the table we also have a grand total row which gives you a grand total percentage of the entire school. This list can be directly printed out from here and handed over to the appropriate authorities. We've got a print coding going on over here as well, so we can just see if this can be printed. We have a provision for a class teacher and a principal signature as well. We have this is the most elaborative report of the attendance segment. This is the monthly report. Now I've just mentioned that is for class 7th A. I want to view the attendance in February 2012. So this shows me all the days that are present in February 2012 as columns, and a completely roll number wise sorted out list for 8A. So we see the presents and absence and leave for all of these students over here, and in the end we've got 4 columns. The first is the month total, that is in this month how many days was the student present for, the month percentage, the session total, that is up till right from 1st of April 2011 till 29th of February 2012, how many days was the student present, and the session percentage for the student. So this is a very useful information that we have. We also have this holidays that are marked in yellow color over here. All the holidays are being marked in yellow, and all the special days are being marked as green over here. Okay, so herein at the bottom of this report, we also have one row each for total days of presence, total students presence, total students absent, total leaves, and grand total. So for each day, this information is being displayed over here. And again, as always, we have an option to print this report right from the browser itself. And this is a very printer friendly format that we have here. This can just be directly taken a print for, and the class teacher and principal can sign on this, and this can be stored on the records. We also have a print all functionality over here, wherein if you click this, it would generate the printout for the entire school in just one click, and you don't have to select every class and every section and for that month so to get the printout. And last up, we've got a filtering report over here, wherein you can just select the class, section, the date range for which you want to apply the filter, and the filtering condition. That is, herein I have queried the system to show me all the students for this session, that is 1st April 2011 to 31st March 2012, from all classes and all sections who've got an exact 100% attendance. So we get this list out here, which can even be exported to Excel for your records. And herein, for the second filtering criteria, we can query the system as to, in a given date range, which student was absent for the last 7 days continuous. So this report gives you a very detailed description of the attendance statistics of the students, and herein we come to the end of the attendance module presentation.